Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this Tronic USB socket universal adapter for laptops, smartphones, tablets and more, with power delivery 20 watts from the Type-C for compatible devices, 3 years warranty, and you can charge your smartphone in 30 minutes up to 50%. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Available and on a white color. Tronic comes with 2 USB ports allowing you to charge multiple devices simultaneously. It works with most USB powered devices including smartphones, tablets, smartwatches, Bluetooth headphones, power banks and more. It is lightweight and portable, making it perfect for travel or use in compact spaces. And most importantly, you don't lose your socket. You can still plug in other appliances, which is very handy. Maximum 16 amp, 3680 watts power consumption. Now let's test how long it will take to charge my Galaxy S21 Fan Edition. First from the Type-C. Fast charging, right now it is on 14% and we need another 1 hour and 2 minutes until fully charged. I like the time. Let's test it from the Type-A, Type-C, and again it says fast charging, 14%, but now it needs 1 hour and 24 minutes until fully charged. 22 minutes more, so use the Type-C all the time. And of course you can charge a second device, let's say my iPhone, Type-C. And now because I have connected the second device on my Samsung, it says 2 hours and 9 minutes until fully charged. It takes longer if you plug in a second device. So it is your choice how you want to use it. I use all the time the Type-C to charge my smartphones. It takes less time. And that's the Tronic USB socket adapter with its compact design, multiple USB ports and reliable performance. It's a perfect solution for powering your devices at home, in the office or on the go. Whether you are charging your phone, tablet or other gadgets, this adapter delivers fast, efficient power every time. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech reviews, gadget insights and smart solutions for everyday life. Thanks for watching and as always, stay connected, stay powered and I'll see you in the next video.